If you knew how to handle any objection at any time, how much more business would you be doing? How much more money would you be earning? Hello everyone, this is Coach Vanda and today I'm here to give you a big gift. But before that, let me share this with you. How do you handle those objections? I'm gonna take a break. The interest rate is too high. Would you cut your commission? Oh, Mary Jo told us she can get $75,000 more for a home. Your price too low. You know what? I'm gonna think about it. How do you handle those? You see, you have to know how to handle those, otherwise you lose business. I wanna teach you, so I have a gift for you. Beautiful gift for you. Write this down. November 18, 11 a.m. Pacific, I'm gonna give you a free workshop on handling objection, where I'm gonna teach you my 3 proven steps that you can apply and you handle any objection and you really maximize your business. Listen, I sold over 1,000 homes. I was top 100 in California in real estate. And today I coach agents that are selling right now 3, 4, 5 homes per week. You can learn how to do this. You gotta up-level your skills in this market. So don't miss my free workshop, because I'm gonna give you the 3 steps and I'm gonna give you so many tactics and information. We're gonna role play. It's gonna be amazing. I see you there. Don't miss it, because you know me. I'll give you tons of values and I'm gonna help you to business go up.